Hey, this is Kelsey. In this video, I want to share with you the 5 types of tools that you need to build an affiliate hub. So, the first type of tool that you need to build your affiliate hub has to do with brand value. Okay, so these are what's considered hub mastery tools. Okay, so you're going to need your hub builder, of course, but other tools that you're going to need is a graphic design tool as well as a domain registrar so that you can establish a web address. All of these tools are going to help you to establish your brand value. Your brand must be on full display on your hub, displaying the type of problems that you solve for the marketplace. The next area in reference to your hub mastery tools is for edutainment value purposes, and this is designed to create content such as educational content and entertaining type content. And the type of tools that's going to allow you to do that is your hub builder is the main tool. Live video streaming is going to help with creating educational and entertainment type content, created as well as curated courses, as well as an AI content creator. AI stands for artificial intelligence. So these type of tools is going to help with the creation of entertainment content. The next thing is your hub needs community connection. So the tools that will help you with establishing a connection with your followers and with your audience is your hub builder and then a CRM. CRM stands for customer relationship management. So those are the two main tools that's going to help with community connection. Next thing is automated systems is going to be established through your affiliate hub. So to help with those systems and the automation of your hub is going to be your hub builder and then an email autoresponder as well as automated webinars. These are marketing tools that helps with automating your marketing on your hub. And then finally, you have MSI opportunities, which stands for multiple streams of income. And to help with establishing these multiple streams of income on your hub is going to be your hub builder once again, and then the affiliate programs that you are going to partner with and join so that you're able to offer multiple products and services on your hub. So I hope that this has been helpful for you. You learned about the 5 types of tools that's needed to build an affiliate hub. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are liking this content, please like the video. Don't forget to hit on the bell notification to be notified of new content when it's released. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.